Yep. From 70 degrees to snow. I gotta take Patrick to school. Now, Patrick isn't really a fan of school, huh? You don't really like school? Huh?
I hate school.
He's so young in his educational career to hate it already. Oh, we're gonna work on that though, right? We're gonna have a good day today, right? Best day today. We're gonna find something that we like, and we're gonna focus on that. That's the deal. Sometimes we all just have to get through parts of the process that we don't really care for. I try to really encourage him that if he does this hard work that he doesn't really enjoy now, if he can build a little grit about him, that later in life that will prove beneficial. It's so hard when you're 6 years old to look into the future, though. At least it was for me. I feel like Evelyn, his sister, is a little more in touch with that. Like, she can kind of say, like, oh, if I want to get good, I have to be doing something. So they're very different in the way they are receptive and to lessons, as well as just how they go about living their lives. It's really cool for me to see two people with two really completely separate personalities growing up and just being a part of that. So it's neat. All right, we gotta safely get to school here. The snow is down, the roads are slippery. Not real sure what's in store for Evelyn and I now. I'll figure it out. I'll get back to y'all. All right. Oh, and yeah, what did I told you, Kansas City Chiefs are gonna win that Super Bowl. That's cool though, man. Good for them. That's the first time ever. So it feels good for the city and the state too. All right, we're out of here for now. It's danger. But this is a mess. There are like cars spinning out because they can't get up the hill now. Stuck. Oh, you guys can't see that, man. Let's see if we can. There we go. Yeah, car's stuck behind me. And then, just even this 4x4 truck in front of me. Dude, y'all need the all-wheel drive soon. Well, I don't guess we were the only people that were about 5 minutes late. My gosh, that was a mess. And I'm oddly attracted to the thought of going and running outside, and I want to go run in this. It looks fun. Yeah, I think that's what's gonna happen. Good morning.
More easily seen.
That's the hope. I don't like cold. And when I started this whole process, I didn't like running at all. And now, consistency has ingrained the new desire to get out here and to keep trying to get better. Yeah, when you start doing things, it's like I was telling Patrick this morning. Here's the turnaround. Doing something you're not good at over and over, just repeatedly. I've never been a very good runner. It didn't come easy, it hurt. I've always been the slowest person, which I'm still probably the slowest, but at least I'm enjoying it now. I enjoy getting out here, breathing this air. It's a new day. I get a whole new chance at doing this again. I'm feeling really grateful. Hope you guys are having a great day. I hope you get out there and work on something that you're not so good at, just for the sake of trying to get a little better. Have a good one, guys. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, please. Give me a thumbs up on that like button. How are you out there challenging yourself? How are you building grit in your character? We all got a place for grit. It's that desire to just to grind away and get better. All right. Until next time, I'll see you on the other side.